get some videos, take you guys along here. I got a walk-in box PM I got to do right now. We're gonna drive over there and look at that. Then I got a prep table that's supposed to be, it sounds like the condensate drain's plugged. We'll see if that is. And then another walk-in box that's got an iced up coil. We'll try and make a video of all those. I think it's Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday afternoon, we're gonna get out there and get after it. And no shortage of work. Tons of bids to get out, quotes, yeah, condensing units, coils, some walk-in boxes to build. Customers have bought boxes and they want them built. One lady didn't like my price for I think it was a 6 glass door walk-in box. I bid it I thought it was pretty fair. They thought it was crazy. And I gave her a price not to exceed. She didn't like it. She's like, why don't I get some helpers and have them work with you? And I was like, I don't work that way. It's not how I do it. And we'll see how that goes. It's on the table. Take it or leave it. And let's see what we get into.
Here comes the man.
This is a good one. Beater. Spinning backwards. Look at this one. Fan blades on backwards. Well, that's part number 1. Part number 2 looks like we had a leak there at one time on all that suction stuff. This old beater unit. So let's get that fan blade switched around here and we'll get that coil cleaned up. And we got a CW motor. So I gotta go pick up a new fan blade for this one. It's got the wrong fan blade. Oh, the old Santa Cruz special. I'm heading over to go pick up the fan blade. I'll bring you guys along for the ride and we'll grab a clockwise fan blade for a clockwise motor. All right, new fan blade's on and running. I washed the coil out. I didn't get a ton of video on that. It's nothing special. Let's go check out the H.V.A.C section. I gotta get off the roof here. I'm up on the roof. Look, there's the old ladder racks. There's the eye from when it said Vangina. All that's left is the eye. The old iced up drain line. It had the frozen dust ball in it. That was all froze up in there. Now I gotta get it. You can see a bunch of more dust in there too. Good times. Let's see, 2 makeup tables and a keg cooler, all of them plugged condensers and plugged condensate drains. So those are all cleaned up. I'm heading out to the last one for tonight. Let's see, where are we at? 7 o'clock. Tick-tock, 7 o'clock. I don't even think it'll focus, will it? Kinda. Walk-in box, I think it said iced up coil, and they might have like a little cook's drawer unit, makeup 4-drawer unit that's got a plugged up condensate too, it sounded like. See if we can get into that this evening. Let's get over there and see what's going on with that one. Help John, H.V.A.C's flashlight, re-Hab. They get the 2-pack of cat lights for $19.99 at Costco. It'll melt your eyeballs off. Get to Costco, John. Oh shit, a 3-pack. Or a light and a multi-tool and a knife. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Costco, John. It's flashlight mayhem.